Hey, Josh Rubin here with Kosher Summer Adventures here in the Adirondacks. Come and join us for the fun!
Hi, my name is Bracha Mashininov. I come from Monsey, New York. I love being challenged. I've never been hiking before. I loved having the opportunity of going on a trip to a beautiful place, having all the arrangements done for me. I didn't have to think about anything.
Hi everyone, Moselle Foreman from Long Branch, New Jersey.
My name is Ira. I'm from Manhattan, New York.
My name is Greg Sholem. I live in Edison, New Jersey.
Hi, I'm Judy Scher from New Rochelle, New York.
My name is Wendy Lager. I'm from White Plains, New York.
I met great people and went to amazing places, but most of all, I proved to myself that even though I'm approaching 60, I could go on zip lines, walk across bridges, hike for 5Ks, go up 600 feet in less than an hour and a half. I loved every moment of it.
You gotta come on this trip.